Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced sedans on the market, the 2025 Genesis G90. The 2025 Genesis G90 continues to push the boundaries of luxury with a sleek and sophisticated exterior. The signature crest grille commands attention, flanked by ultra-slim two-line LED headlamps that give the car a distinctive and futuristic look. The long, sculpted body is designed for elegance and aerodynamic efficiency, while the available 21-inch wheels add an extra layer of presence on the road. From every angle, the G90 exudes a sense of prestige that rivals even the most established luxury brands. Under the hood, the Genesis G90 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering a smooth yet powerful 375 horsepower. For those who crave more performance, an upgraded version with an electric supercharger boosts output to 409 horsepower, ensuring effortless acceleration and refined power delivery. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, the G90 provides a balanced combination of performance, comfort, and control, making every drive a seamless experience. The ride quality is where the G90 truly shines. Equipped with an adaptive air suspension and a road preview system that scans for imperfections ahead, this sedan delivers an ultra-smooth driving experience. Whether cruising through the city or taking on long highway journeys, the G90 isolates passengers from road noise and vibrations, creating an atmosphere of pure serenity. The rear-wheel steering system enhances maneuverability, making the large sedan surprisingly agile, even in tight spaces. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that redefines modern luxury. Premium Nappa leather, real wood trims, and ambient lighting create an environment of pure sophistication. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster seamlessly integrated with a matching infotainment touchscreen, offering intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface. The crystal gear selector and minimalist button layout emphasize elegance and simplicity. Rear passengers are treated to first-class accommodations, with power reclining seats, built-in massagers, and an advanced climate control system that ensures the perfect temperature for every occupant. A rear seat touchscreen allows passengers to customize their seating, entertainment, and comfort settings with ease. The available 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system immerses the cabin in rich, high-fidelity audio, making every drive feel like a private concert. Technology in the Genesis G90 is nothing short of state-of-the-art. The car comes equipped with an advanced head-up display, a fingerprint authentication system, and over-the-air software updates to keep everything running smoothly. The AI-powered voice assistant understands natural commands, allowing drivers to control navigation, climate, and even seat adjustments with simple voice prompts. The digital key allows you to unlock and start the car using your smartphone, adding another layer of convenience. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Genesis G90, with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Highway Driving Assist 2 provides semi-autonomous driving capabilities, keeping you centered in your lane while adjusting speed based on traffic conditions. The car's forward collision avoidance system, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera ensure maximum awareness and protection in any driving scenario. The 2025 Genesis G90 is not just a luxury sedan, it's a statement of refinement, innovation, and comfort. With a starting price of around $90,950, it offers an exceptional value compared to its German rivals while delivering an experience that is nothing short of world-class. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride from the back seat, the G90 proves that luxury is about more than just a badge, it's about the experience. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Genesis G90, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews and automotive insights. Let us know in the comments what you think of this luxury flagship. Would you pick it over its European competitors? See you in the next video.